Thank you for tuning in. I am student meteorologist Paul Taschereau. We have a bit to discuss, but first, outside today we have overcast skies. Temperatures are a bit warmer than they had been in the last few days, into the lower 40s, but we do have big changes in store. First, beginning with some light snows tonight. We'll talk more about this in just a minute. But behind this system, it's going to become much colder for Friday into Saturday. And yes, we are talking about the potential for another storm. This one will be Sunday into Monday, and we will also look at this a little bit closer. But on the current surface map, off to our west, we have this cold front. This cold front will approach this evening, giving us some rain showers this evening. But once that pushes through, some colder air moves in, that'll transition the light rain over to some light snow. Then this secondary cold front moves through early to mid tomorrow morning, ushering in some polar air, and we're going to become much colder for Friday into Saturday. On this satellite, here are those clouds that are in place. These are associated with that frontal system, and these clouds will remain in place through most of the day tomorrow as well. Current radar, we do see these blues. That's radar depicting some light snows. I don't think any of this is reaching the ground. It is a bit dry out there, but back off to our west, this green right here, that is the rain showers associated with that cold front. Now we will begin to see some of this light rain work in early on this evening, but around midnight to 1 a.m. we will see this rain transition over to snow. And let's time this snowfall for you out. By about 10 o'clock this evening, we have light rain across the state, but by 1 a.m., there we go, colder air working on the rain transitioning over to snow. And then look at this by about 3 a.m. Some darker blues here indicating the potential for some moderate snows as well. But by 7 a.m., the snow should be working out. Now, the morning commute could still be a little tricky as it could be a little icy outside. So if you're going out to work or school, give yourself some extra time. Now let's talk about Sunday into Monday's storm threat. But first off, let's look at the forecast snowfall for this system. West of Interstate 84, thinking about a coating to 1 inch of snow, but east of Interstate 84 could see 1 to 3 inches, perhaps upwards of 4 inches across northeastern Connecticut. Now let's talk about Sunday into Monday. So the jet stream dies to our south, but it kind of builds back up right over us. As that happens, computer forecast models show a low pressure developing right over us. That's usually a signal for warmer air, so at this time I think we're mainly looking at a rain event, but we will continue to keep you updated on this situation. Now coming back to tonight, we will see the light rain transition over to light snow overnight. Lows into the 30s this evening, but temperatures will drop after midnight. And look at tomorrow. We got snow early on in the morning, temperatures falling through the 20s during the afternoon, winds out of the northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour, making it feel perhaps into the upper teens at times. And my 5-day forecast, look at Saturday, only into the mid-20s, coming off of a low of the single digits Friday night. And then Sunday into Monday, we are looking at mainly rain. Can't rule out some snowflakes with this system, especially in the hills, and then temperatures remain into the 30s to begin the work week. As always, you can check us out on social media, and I am student meteorologist Paul Taschereau, and thank you for watching.